This is my work and play setup, utilizing a Windows 10 gaming PC and my Mac Pro laptop. I can easily convert my desk from standing to sitting. The TV is connected to my gaming PC using HDMI cables so I can watch movies on the side. When I want to convert to work MacBook Pro mode, I switch my input to HDMI and I swap my keyboard and mouse, which is connected to my MacBook Pro. And now I utilize the dual screen capabilities for work. The chair I sit on is the Herman Miller Aeron with Posture Fit add-on. The webcam I'm using is a 4K magnetic with a privacy shutter I added on. I have two Logitech gaming mice and a Logitech keyboard. To the right of my iPad I have my Bose QC352s and my Yeti microphone, along with my Cambridge 6-speaker setup. My Oculus VR is to my left, and I also have a wireless charge. The Autonomous remembers the height that I want to go to standing and sitting with 4 different memory modes. This is great for when I want to get into standing mode. It remembers the exact height that I prefer.